Ramadan is here. Millions of people around the world are raising their hands in dua. Maybe you are too, asking for forgiveness, asking for provision, asking for guidance. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, what if your dua is not being accepted? The Prophet, peace be upon him, once described a man on a long journey, his hair unkempt, his clothes covered in dust, raising his hands to the sky and saying, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Yet his food was unlawful, his earnings were unlawful, he was nourished by what is unlawful. So how could his dua be accepted? Think about that. It's not just about raising your hands, it's about what's in your heart. It's about how you live when no one is watching. There is something else we often ignore. The one who cuts family ties, the one who wrongs others, the one who carries pride or arrogance in the heart. Will their dua be easily accepted? Ramadan is not just about staying hungry, it is about purification. Maybe we are praying, but we are not speaking to someone we hurt. Maybe we are reading Quran, but we are neglecting the rights of others. Ask yourself honestly, is my income halal? Have I wronged someone and never made it right? Am I holding on to resentment or pride? Ramadan is a month of opportunity, but opportunity requires change. If we want accepted dua, we must remove what is blocking it. Decide today, be mindful of your income, repair broken relationships, return what is not rightfully yours. Cleanse your heart from arrogance and hatred. Allah does accept dua, but acceptance has conditions. Ramadan is passing. Are your prayers rising to the heavens, or are they stopping before they reach? There is still time. Turn back to Allah. Seek forgiveness sincerely. Purify your heart. Maybe this Ramadan will be the one where your dua is truly accepted. Maybe this Ramadan will change your life forever. May Allah grant us hearts that are pure, deeds that are sincere, and dua that are accepted. Ameen.